Substack looks free and clean on the surface, but the moment you switch on paid subscriptions, somewhere between 13 and 16% of your money disappears every month to fees. In this video, I am going to show you what ordinary writers actually earn on Substack in 2026 and walk you from zero to a realistic four-figure monthly newsletter with the ugly math included. First, is there enough money here to matter for a side hustle? According to Best Writing Substack statistics, writers pulled in about $300 million in 2023, $370 million in 2024, and $450 million in 2025. So the pool of cash going to writers is still growing year over year. At the same time, according to Readless, Substack has more than 8.4 million paid subscriptions and over 17,000 writers earning subscription revenue, which tells you two things. There is demand for paying for writing and the market is crowded enough that lazy newsletters get ignored. That is the honest backdrop for anyone starting in 2026. Let me walk you through the fee stack, because this is where most people get surprised. According to E-commerce Paradise, Substack takes 10% of all your paid subscription revenue, and Stripe charges roughly 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, which together lands in that 13 to 16% cut before you ever see the money. On a common $5 monthly subscription, Beehive's breakdown shows that after Substack's 10%, Stripe's 2.9%, the 30-cent transaction fee, and a 0.7% recurring billing fee for newer subscribers, you as the creator actually keep about $4.01. So around 20% of that tiny $5 payment vanishes into pipes you do not control. Here's the trade-off though. According to Substack's own pricing explained on Check That, there is no monthly platform fee in 2026. So if you already have a laptop and internet, your startup cost to test this as a side hustle is effectively zero, which is rare for something that can later become real recurring income. To make this concrete, let us run the kind of numbers most side hustlers care about. According to Right Build Scale, at $10 per month with 100 paid subscribers, you gross $100 and keep around $850 after Substack and Stripe. While at the same price with 10 paid subscribers, you are at roughly $100 per month, which works out to more than $1 million per year, even after platform costs. For a beginner without an audience, a more honest target is that first 100 paying subscribers. A beginner-friendly breakdown on YouTube points out that at $10 per month, 100 subscribers is about $12,000 a year before fees and closer to $10,000 after the cuts, which is a strong side hustle but not quit your job money yet. Now here is where expectations get fuzzy. A 2026 Instagram reel from a growth consultant claims that going from zero to a Substack that adds roughly $30,000 in extra revenue within about 90 days is possible when the content and promotion are dialed in, and that multiple clients have done it by hitting hundreds of paid subscribers. I would treat that as the upper end of what is realistic, not the average outcome for a new writer. So what does an ordinary writer actually earn? Based on these numbers, a realistic path in 2026 looks like this. Months 1 to 3, you aim for 50 to 100 paid subscribers at $8 to $10 per month, which lands you in the $400 to $850 per month range after fees if you stick with it and keep publishing. Months 3 to 12, if you keep publishing weekly, refine your niche, and promote smartly, stacking small wins like guest posts and cross promos, you can grow into the 200 to 500 subscriber band. That is roughly $700 to $250 a month after fees at a $10 price point, which is where Substack starts feeling like a solid side income instead of pocket change. The catch is that the fees scale with you. Ruzuku's pricing analysis shows that at $5,000 a month in revenue, your annual platform and payment processing costs sit around $8,340, which means even at mid-five-figure income, you are handing over a decent used car every year to Substack and Stripe. That is why I think of Substack as a low-friction way to start, not always the place you stay forever. For most writers, the smart play is to accept the 13 to 16% haircut in year one as the cost of learning fast. Then only think about moving to a cheaper stack when you are consistently above, say $5,000 a month, and the fee bill actually hurts. So if you are starting from zero, here is the step path I would follow in 2026. Step 1, pick a narrow topic where you can ship one useful issue every week for a year. Then set your price at $8 to $10 so you do not need thousands of subscribers to feel the income. Step 2. Launch the newsletter free for at least 4 to 6 weeks while you stack quality issues. Then turn on paid and give free readers a clear reason to upgrade, like extra deep breakdowns or templates. Step 3. Push one simple promo loop every week, such as posting a hook on social, doing one cross promo with another writer, or offering a founder discount to early paid subscribers. If you treat Substack like that, with clear eyes about the fees and realistic targets like 100 to 500 paying subscribers in year 1, it can be a very real side hustle that pays a few $1,000s a month without any upfront cost. If this kind of straight numbers breakdown helps you, hit subscribe and stick around, because we will keep walking through the real economics of online side hustles, one method at a time.